Hi kiddos, Mrs. Day here with our small group activity. Our small group activity today is called straw shapes. For this activity, you will need the straws found inside your supply bag. So go into your supply bag and take out your straws. It doesn't matter if your straws are in their plastic wrapper or if you take them out of the wrapper. We can still build the shapes either way. So it's your choice. You can leave them in the wrapper or you can take them out of the wrapper. But go find your straws so we can get started.
All right, friends, did you find your straws from your supply bag? Here are my straws. Now remember, just like we said, you can keep your straws in the wrapper like I am, or if you'd like, you can take them out of the wrapper. We just need the straws in order to build our shapes. So we are going to be making different shapes today. Let's try a nice, easy shape. Let's start with a triangle. Use your straws to build a triangle. Now your triangle might look different from my triangle, and that's okay. We are building a triangle. All right, kiddos, now that we have our triangle, let's count and see how many straws did we use to build our triangle. We used 1, 2, 3 straws in order to build our triangle. I notice our triangle has these little points. How many points does our triangle have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. We used 3 straws to make our triangle, and our triangle has 3 points. I wonder, what shape would I be making if I used 4 straws? Does anyone know? A square. Let's try to build a square. We need all 4 straws in order to build a square. So here's my square. I gotta move it up so you can see it. There we go. Okay, here's my square. Let's count and see how many straws did we use in order to build a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. I used 4 straws to build my square. Now I also noticed that this shape has those pointy things just like our triangle. How many points do we have on our square? Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, I noticed something interesting. We used 4 straws and we have 4 points. But last time when we built our triangle, we used 3 straws and we made 3 points. I wonder if it's a pattern. How cool. Alrighty. I wonder, is there a round shape that I can build using my straws? What is that round shape that we know? Does anyone remember what it's called? It goes around and around and around. It's called a circle. Can we use our straws to build a circle? Let's try it. I don't know how to make my straw go around. It's a nice, beautiful straight line. If I bend it, it will break. So I know that I cannot use my straws to build a circle. I can build a triangle and I can build a square. Now parents, this is where we're going to need a little bit of your help. Would you please very carefully cut some of the straws into different lengths and allow your children to build other shapes like rectangles or different sized triangles or maybe smaller sized squares. Maybe your child is going to get a little creative and try to build shapes that have more than 4 sides. If your child creates a shape with 5 sides, teach them the new math word, a pentagon. Obviously, we know our little kiddos right now probably won't be able to remember the word pentagon, but you're introducing them to new vocabulary, and that's very important at this age. If they hear it, then they might remember it, or at least they'll have it stored in the back of their head so it will sound familiar later. All right, my kiddos, I hope you have fun building with your straws. Remember, your triangles and your rectangles don't always have to look the same way. Maybe you're going to use smaller sized straws and build a tiny triangle, or a tiny rectangle and a tiny square. Maybe you're going to use the big long pieces to build big triangles and big squares. It's completely up to you. All right, kiddos, go have fun building shapes with your straws. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.